Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's already time for another Christmas crate. So let's open this puppy up and see what came. So for those of you that may not know, this is a subscription box. So every month I get something from my Christmas crate and it kind of helps put me in the Christmas cheer, and it sends Christmas cheer all year long. So this says have a holly jolly Christmas, and you can check it out at mychristmascrate.com. And this kind of tells you a little bit about everything that is in here. And there's a way to win a free crate. Oh my goodness. Look at the fun Santa socks. Those are cute. I love those. And then there's a button that says I love Christmas. And looks like this. These are ornament hangers. The fast and easy way to hang Christmas ornaments. There's 100 green wire ornament hangers. I'm trying to get one out so we can see what they look like. They look like this. So nice. Those are always fun to have. I've not seen any like this before, so that'll be interesting. And it looks like there are some, this looks like felted, oh, it's a garland. Oh, how cute. I'm going to send this to Katie for sure so she can put it up in her dorm room and then even in her classroom. That is really cute. She'll like that. And then, oh, Mrs. Claus bubble soak. And it looks like it's green peppermint eucalyptus from Copper Cat Apothecary. Oh, it smells like cinnamon. Not cinnamon. Like peppermint. I won't open it, but you can hear it, so it's nice. You can hear it, so it's nice. That didn't make any sense, but you can hear it, and it sounds nice. That will be very nice to soak in the tub. I was thinking I might send Katie the stockings too, but I will not. I'm going to keep those socks. Oh, what is this? It's a pumpkin. Old World Christmas pumpkin ornament. That's cute. I don't know if that's Christmassy. I guess it is because it's an ornament. It's an Old World Christmas ornament. I think those are kind of pricey. Looks pricey anyway, so that's very nice. I will take it. Cute. Okay, I think that might be everything in the box this time. So let's see. I got some garland, and that says Snowflake Garland by American Crafts, the perfect addition to your holiday decor. The pumpkin ornament by Old World Christmas for the holidays. Pumpkins symbolize the bounty of the harvest. A classic ornament to adorn. Mrs. Claus Relaxing Bubble Soak by Copper Cat Apothecary. Sit back, relax, and indulge in this amazing blend of peppermint and eucalyptus during the cold months ahead. Ornament hangers by Old World Christmas. Use these green pliable hangers to display all your favorite ornaments. Dark green in color. It blends in the background so your ornaments are on the main attraction of your tree. It doesn't say anything about this cute button, but that's cute. And then it says Christmas socks by Cozy Feet. Put on your favorite Christmas tune and slip on these oh so cozy socks after a warm bath for a festive dose of Christmas cheer. And I agree. These look so soft. Yay. Okay, so that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.